Hello traders, again welcome back to a video. Today I am going to take trade with candlestick analysis. Today I invest only $25 in each pairs. Here we can go to the buyers. Okay, very good enter point, very good margin of safety. Here it's an engulfing. Here also we can go to the buyers with some margin of safety. Here the present candle should be bullish, but I need a good entry. Maybe it will. Okay, here the market is consolidating and now it's going to buyers area, and market situation is little bit bad, I think, because some weak candles and some strong candles also. I think here there is no buyers entry, but if the candle closes bearish, next one here we can go to the buyers if there is any proper rejection. Now we can see that there is some rejection, so after this we can go to the buyers. So I'm going to place a call option. It should be bullish. Here it's more. Okay, here also we can go to the buyers. Here we can go to the buyers because there is a new high in the market. Here it should be bullish, there is a level, so we can go to the buyers. And here next one should be bearish because of that new low. Here we can go to the buyers. Oh, I think I placed two trades. Oh, I placed in NSD USD two trades. I'm sorry for that mistake. It's accidentally happened. No problem. I think maybe losing, but okay, now we can see some rejections. One entry is very good and another one is little bit risky now. It's not rejecting. Okay, it's rejecting now. Oh, I got one loss here. No problem, it's only $4 and I reduced because of double entry here. But please don't do scalping. It's a bad habit in trading. Don't do martingale also. It's also a bad habit. So I placed here a call option because of that strong rejection in the bearish candle. That's why I placed here a call option. And here also there is a new high in the market. It's a very weak bearish candle. In the middle means it will come up. That's why I placed here a call option. And here also if the market is consolidating and also its area is buyers, so it will definitely make a bullish candle. That's why I placed here a call option. And here also the market is at resistance and I am seeing a new low in the resistance, so it should be bearish. That's why I placed here a put option. And now I am seeing a momentum of sellers and there is no a lower rejection, but there is a level in the left side, so we can wait for the closing of present candle. We can take trade after that. Okay, and we are going to accept the course payment from tomorrow, so we will start to accept only from tomorrow. So if you are interested, if anyone interested, you can find my contact details on the description of this video. And okay, here there is a level. Okay, we can take trade after the closing. So if you are interested, you can join. And also now we are in the preparation of our ebook, and we will upload some. Okay, here it's buyer's entry. Okay, here we can go to the buyers, and here it's an engulfing. Okay, here there is a momentum, so here we can go to the sellers. Again we are seeing red. Here the candle should be bullish, but I need a good entry because after that consolidation I am seeing a strong candle. Here also we can go to the sellers. Okay, very good entry point. Okay, this time is over, and I don't know why it's not rejecting. It's rejecting now, but I think it will be risky trade now. Here also, oh, I have margin of safety. Okay, it was also winning trade, just close to above my entry, and anyway, I don't take train more, so I placed here a put option because of that momentum. After that 3 candle, again I am seeing a bearish candle with a new low, means it will continue. That's why I placed here a put option, and it just closed above my entry. And anyway, now we are in the preparation of our ebook, so we will include our ebook in our online class. And it was the result of today trade. And anyway, I don't take trade more. If you want to know anything more about our trading program, you can contact me in the contact details in the description. Anyway, I don't take trade more. Thanks for watching my video. All of you, wish you good profit.